Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make okra water. So I'm going to be sharing the secret healing and benefits of okra water to woman health and all the health benefits. So stay tuned. So to make this okra water, you will need fresh okra. So I'm going to wash the okra to remove any dirty. So to wash the okra, I'm going to add the okra into the bowl, add water and salt, then wash properly. Okra is a special vegetable. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It contains vitamins like vitamin A, calcium, and some other minerals. So to make this okra, when I'm done washing the okra, I'm going to start by cutting the okra into smaller pieces. Okra or ladyfinger is a wonderful vegetable that will be helpful to do wonderful things for your health. So some of the benefits of okra water is that it's good for your skin. It will help to improve your skin. You can drink okra water. It will help to aid digestion, good for weight loss. It will also help to boost your immunity. It is also helpful to fight infection because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It will help to improve fertility, good for promoting good eye health, healthy heart, and it will reduce the risk of heart disease because the potassium will help your body to balance sodium. So when I'm done cutting the okra, I'll be adding ginger. This is optional, but ginger will add flavor to this and it will also help to aid digestion. Another wonderful spice I'll be adding is clove seed. Some few clove seed is so good. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Clove seed will help to improve digestion, boost immunity, improve blood flow, and also regulate blood sugar. So I'm going to start by adding all the ingredients into the jar. Then I'm going to add enough water to cover it. Then put it in the fridge and allow it to infuse. So I'm going to stir this to mix properly. Then I'll cover the lid and leave it to soak for at least 24 hours. So the next day you can notice that the okra water has changed color. It has been infused properly. So with a sieve, I'm going to strain to get the okra water. I hope you can notice how slimy the okra water is. The slimy consistency in okra has the health benefit and it will help to reduce irritation in the stomach. You can also drink this water if you have ulcer. It has detoxification properties which will help to prevent clogging of the arteries and help the body to eliminate toxin. The fiber in the okra water will help to stabilize blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of glucose from the intestinal tract. This okra water is high in fiber, so if you want to lose weight, so this will help to suppress your appetite. So finally, the okra water is ready. You can season this by adding black pepper, or you can decide to add pineapple or orange drink to enhance the taste. So I'm going to add pineapple drink. Okra water has a lot of health benefits for women. So if you're having hormonal balance, drink okra water. It will be helpful. It will help to boost fertility, boost ovulation, and it is also beneficial for pregnant women. So you can enjoy 1 cup of this okra water as a first drink in the morning so that you can get all the benefits that I listed in this video. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.